We use it for writing code quite a bit as well. Um, there was a time where I needed to write a security description profile for an AWS compatible data structure using a language called YAML. I don't really like YAML. I've never taken the time to memorize the syntax and get used to it. But once you can read code, you can kind of read any code. And so I go into AI and say, hey, I need a security profile that does such and such. It needs to restrict this and enable that and work this way. Please make it compatible with this tool. Off you go. Now, the first thing that it made was incorrect, would have opened up a huge security hole. So I needed to be able to read the code and say, hey, that doesn't actually do what I asked you to do. Please fix it and make it more like this. And I think it took 3 or 4 tries before it gave me an output that was correct. And I could read it and understand and affirm that it did what I wanted it to do. And that took all of 10 minutes. Whereas if I was writing that manually, I'd have to go look up the syntax for YAML. I'd have to go read through the docs and figure out, how the format works and how to write this and look up examples. And it might have taken me 3 or 4 hours, to write that same code in a language that I don't think I've used since. It's fairly rare that we encounter YAML and needing to write it. And so the AI was able to amplify my skills and knowledge and make me way faster and more efficient than I would have been. But it still needed my experience to vet it, and otherwise it would have opened a hole for one of my clients there.